We have markings here for 0 meters, 1, 2, 3 and 4 meters. We have two users here and both are wearing the Find device. Now user 1 will walk towards user 2 and we will see the threshold value is set at 2 meters. So let's see if the blink if the Find blinks and if the violation is tracked by the Find device. So there's no blink here because he's at 3.5 meters right now. We are doing this in the open. So now we are at 3 meters. There's a difference of 3 meters between both the users. We still don't see any blink or a buzz because there is no violation yet. We are at 2.5 meters. We still don't have any beep. Yes, we are at 2 meters and we will hear a beep here and you can see the blink also. So you can see here that at around 2 meters where the threshold was set, you can see the blink and beep. So we will want the user to go back to 4 meters. So now you will see that it will stop blinking. It is blinking right now, but it will stop blinking. Yeah, it has stopped blinking now because the user 1 has moved away at the 4 meter mark. So we'll try again. User walks in from 4 meters. He's at 3.5. We don't hear any beep or any blinking here. User 1 moves a little ahead at 3 meters. There is no violation yet. So now as he moves towards the 2 meter mark, he's still at 2.5. He's at reaching 2 now. You can hear now that there is a beep and you can see the blink as well. You can hear the beeping sound. Yeah, that is because user 1 has violated and has come in between the distance of 2 meters. So anything inside 2 meters you will still get the beep and also the blink. So we'll move back from here, back to 4 meters. Right, so this is the 4 meter mark. He's at the 4 meter mark now. Okay, we can start now. At 3 meters, it's actually at 3.5 meters actually, in between 3 and 4. There is no violation, so there is no blinking, there is no beep. You can take a couple of steps ahead to 3 meters. No violation yet because the threshold value was set at around 2 meters. We will have some variance of a few inches plus or minus, but it's at around 2 meters. We are at 2.5, so I don't see any blinking or the beeps also. We can take a couple of steps ahead and cross the 2 meter mark and enter the violation zone. See, you can hear now. You can hear at both ends. You can hear the beep for both. So basically they have violated the 2-meter threshold and it has started beeping. So that's the information that the users get, and the same information is sent across via dashboard to the admin as well.